I am speaking in the support of Janez Janša. Dear friends, the leader of the biggest Slovenian opposition party, Janez Janša, was imprisoned only 3 weeks before the upcoming parliamentary elections following an absurd and politically motivated judiciary process. I would like to join the International Democrat Union, the EPP party, the EPP group, and many Slovenian and international legal experts who had already expressed their outrage at the unfairness of the judiciary process and the condemnation of Mr. Janša. I would also like to express my support to the Slovenian Democratic Party at the parliamentary elections to be held on the 13th of July. Their election program, entitled "For Economic Growth, Justice and New Jobs," will return Slovenia on the path of stability, growth and prosperity. It is important that you, voters, go to the polls and vote for the SDS to show that you want a just and fair judiciary system in Slovenia. God bless you. I send my best greetings to all the voters and the supporters of Mr. Janša.